Hey again, I'm on the big screen, or little screen, whatever screen you're watching this with. This is kind of the end. Congrats. Thank you so much for watching through this, assuming that you watched through in order versus like just started with the outro video, which is this one, which I guess if you did it out of order, that's cool. Do what you do. Anyway, if you've watched all of these, it's a lot of information. We did kind of get into that intermediate level too with some of these like if functions and creating emails by department. And so there's a lot of things you can do, and you can still make that even more so too to fit the needs that you have. So in the end, be proud of what you've accomplished, what you've hopefully learned and practiced, and are starting to think about how you can use that in your organization, job, or just for fun. Again, I'm going to be doing some more videos, or I have ideas for them. So, again, if there's nothing new and you've watched all of it, you can always subscribe and you can get notifications about new videos coming out. I have some projects that I'm really excited to try to do, trying to actually get them out there, organized, and, the content in a way there. And so those will be a little bit longer formatted videos. I have this idea for the kind of intermediate, kind of the next steps, especially if you're following along through, what I've already done with my videos. They'll play into that and then expound upon those as well. So in any case, in whatever situation, thank you again for the time that you've put into these, and I hope that it will be beneficial to you and your endeavors. So anyway, this is the last one here on this series. Signing off. Till the next time. Bye now.